So what comes in this box of Terra Sodastream? The Sodastream container that helps you make it, a reusable plastic bottle, and the CO2 cylinder container. Step 1. Remove the plastic cover and pull off the cap. Step 2, pull open the back cover. Step 3, raise the pink handle. As you can see, in this case, it's not pink, it's black. Step 4, insert the cylinder, bottom first. Step 5, lower the handle for a quick connect. Step 6, replace the back cover. The next section is filling the bottle with water, preferably cold water, up to the fill line. Cold water works better because it holds the carbonation in. Step 2, make sure the bottle rest is tilted out. It looks like it's already out. Yes. Step 3, insert bottleneck into the snap lock, push it up, then back. There should be a gap here. Next section, fizzing. Step 1, firmly push the carbonation button all the way down, hold the button for 1 second, and release. Repeat as desired 3 times for a standard fizz. So I'm going to do 2 more times. Step 3, pull the bottle towards you. For putting the bubbly drops in, fill with 3/4 of a teaspoon. Put it in the drink. Always fill the bubbly after carbonation. Screw the lid back on and gently mix it up. Then drink and enjoy.